many warnings for one beach. My favorite of all of these, though, is definitely the coyotes in the area. Apparently they are wild animals and can be dangerous. Do not encourage them to approach. They're smart, fast, and will take what they can get. Excellent approach to the beach here. In Sullivan's Island, you park along the street. You have to have all four wheels off the blacktop, so you park on the sand along the side. And then there's a beach access about every block here. And a lot of them have this type of wooden walkway to get you there, which is good because, it's a little swampy, boggy off to the side. Maybe a few alligators or two. So it's better to walk up here, I suppose. Though for us, we're fine getting down in the mud. But we will abide by the rules here and walk on it.